This tutorial is on how to use tasks. So first, go to Project from your left bar, click Search, and then press Tasks. To create a task, click Create, add a title, click on the task, click Edit, and then you can edit it, you can add a description and extra info, you can create a deadline, and you can assign it to your colleagues. Once you assign a task to them and press Saved, they will be notified by an email. You can also log notes right here, for example, an update regarding this task or any attachments that you may have worked on this task on, and then press Log. And once you make any changes here, make sure to press Save, otherwise any updates will not be saved. And once you're done a task, make sure to click Archive so everyone knows this task is complete.